Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about string as arrays. In Python, strings are stored as an array. What is an array? An array is is a list of things or collection. I think it's better to say collection of items or collection of data. So an array is a collection of data that is stored in a contiguous memory location, one after another. So it means if we are storing TEST, it will be stored T in the first memory location, E will be stored as a Unicode character in the next memory location, S will be stored next to E, and the last T will be stored next to S. So it will be in one after another. This is one characteristic of array, that it's collection of items stored in continuous memory location, as you can see like that. Second thing is that you're gonna do. The second thing about array is that it's uh, writing it should be of same data type. So strings are all, whenever you're defining strings, of course it's of string data type. So this is how arrays work. Why we are storing it, why Python is, why it's useful to have string as an arrays, because then we can have and we can fetch different items or different characters easily. In the form of strings, we can fetch different characters easily. For example, if we do not want the est full, and if we only want the first part of it, we can say like a1. One is the index, and index means the number place value. Okay, so for example, 1 is the index. If you think that, what do you think what a1 will bring? Will it bring you the first character T? Then no, you're wrong, because it won't bring you the first character T, it will bring you the second character E. Why? Because in Python, the index starts with 0. So actually, the thing that can bring you the first character will be A and the index 0. So if you want to cut all the things character wise, you can define A index 0, A index 1, A index 2, and then A index 3. Let's run it and see how is the output. So you can see it's written 0, A index 0 is T, E, S, T. Now if you want to print only full T test, you don't need to define an index. If you write on A, it will write down the full string, as you can see. There's something called negative indexing in array, which is very useful, and I'll let you know why it's useful when you'll start developing different programs. Then you will be able to understand it. So for example, if you want to get only the last character and you don't know the length of the full string, maybe it's test, maybe it's testified, maybe it's a long character, so you can write on the last character. You can get the last character only by writing a minus 1. That is called negative indexing, and it will get you the last character of this string. Let's check it out. Okay, similarly you can also get the second last character by writing -2, and third last character by writing -3. So in negative indexing means you will start from opposite way from the end, and it will make your work easy in different situation. When you'll start working on real life program, then you'll understand the use of it. Let's run the program and you can see it's like TEST, then opposite TEST. Okay, that's all for today. I'm leaving you with a question. What do you think? What will happen if instead of, the length of the index will be here 0, 1, 2, 3. If somebody will ask to get you a character, to print a character at the place value 4, do you think the 4 exists? 0, 1, 2, 3. Of course, 4 is doesn't exist. So what will be the value that will be returned if we are calling A4? And what will be the answer, or what will, if you think it's an error, what type of error would it be? Please check it out and let me know in your question. And I want to tell you another useful function here before I leave, and the function name is length. So you're going to write on length, and you can define, write on the name of string, and it will return you the length of the full string. Okay, it's giving you an I've just asked you a question and I answered it already. Well, it will return you the length. Try it and you can see it's 4. Thank you very much. Enjoy. Change the variable name.